I've been at University of Nebraska for 3 years now. So this is my second time organizing FoBI workshop. I was a co-organizer back in 2023 on smart resilience. This year, in 2025, we focused on AI for resilient communities with a specific focus on people, adaptation, and infrastructure. We invited experts across academia, government, and industry all across United States. And we also had multiple participants from outside of the United States, including Japan and Italy.
I'm Gianpaolo Cinellaro. I'm a faculty member at the Politecnico di Torino in Italy. And I've been working in this field of resilience for over 20 years now, my PhD. And
Wow.
I'm really happy that I had the chance to be invited to this workshop. Where I got a lot of good idea and positive feedback on possible future research that I'm planning to do with my colleagues.
I gave a talk on large language models in social media for evaluating urban housing livability, where we fine-tune large language models to equip it with building domain knowledge so that we can understand, okay, how can we improve building performance for people who are actually inhabiting and working, living in the buildings.
So I talked about like hospital resiliency after the disasters. And I asked for like some opportunities to collaborate with like AI experts to my area. I'm more in like physics-based guy, and we collect a lot of like human sensor data where like people, how they respond to the disaster and how the functionality drop and they recover. And can we help anything using the AI technologies?
Yes, so I talked about the opportunities that exist in AI and ML in combination with optimization for community resilience, looking into how we can help communities be able to withstand better disruptive events, how they can recover better and adapt.
So this 1 day and a half, I believe it was very successful. So we had multiple sessions focused on different aspects of built environment, community resilience, emerging technology to advance built environment, and also energy aspects.
This workshop has been, we consider it a great success. So this year, we extended our scale from last time, and we invited experts from multiple areas of resilience, the traditional civil structure.
I think it's a great opportunity for networking. I think got to meet like great people and also very cutting edge research that's going on and industry partners here. So I think the main takeaway is seeing how all these people are involved and working together on making this happen and improving this as well. So I think it was very interesting, like networking, and also see how those different fields are kind of working together and make something better.
It's been awesome. I'm really excited that I got to meet like people from other universities, especially like PhD students. And there's been a lot of faculty here too. It's been cool getting to see what everyone is doing and how they're integrating AI and machine learning into what they're doing. Because I kind of went into this not knowing a lot about that part, and now I feel like I'm like wanting to explore that more and
Awesome.
find things to do with it and how to integrate it into what I'm doing.
I really value tremendously the effort that they made into having a transdisciplinary perspective of the disabled problems, because it showcases how much we're advancing in this field from different areas and the importance of working together to address disabled problems.
I hope we can continue the conversation on like artificial intelligence and how can we improve building future by leveraging all these novel technologies out there so that we can really advance the industry and the sector for the next generation.
Congratulations for the successful event, and then I was very happy to be here. I'm so glad like they invited me, and it was truly my honor to be here. Thank you very much.
I got a lot of interesting ideas on the use of AI in our field, because I've been working on resilience now for 15 years. When I started, there was no AI reality.
Of course.
And now it's going everywhere, and so I see what are the benefits of using it in our field, but also what are the limitations and the constraints that we need to put.
Resilience is going to be a more and more pressing issue, especially considering that there are hazard events going on constantly.
We have 2 seed grants to form teams and submit to Durham School of Architectural Engineering and Construction. So the teams that will be funded, they're going to have an opportunity to work on a seed grant and 2-year project to look for other opportunities to establish research projects, produce research, and focus on research and development. And also, we discussed during this workshop to leverage what we learned from this workshop to publish a special issue. So right after this workshop, we are going to work with Resilient Cities and Structures, which is a journal indexed by Elsevier, to collect journal articles from the participants, and hopefully we can publish a special issue very soon.